Welcome to Mastering Speech Transitions, Tips for Seamless Delivery. In this guide, we'll explore 5 essential tips to help you deliver transitions smoothly and effectively in your speeches. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Clarity and conciseness. It's important to use clear and concise transition phrases to signal shifts between ideas. For instance, instead of saying, "Now we will move on to our next point," you could simply say, "Next," or "Moving on." Tip number 2. Smooth delivery. Practice delivering transitions smoothly to maintain audience engagement. Avoid rushing or stumbling over words. Instead, aim for a natural and confident delivery. Tip number 3. Variety in transition techniques. Vary your transition techniques to keep your audience engaged. Experiment with different transition words and phrases, such as "furthermore," "in contrast," "additionally," and "as a result." Tip number 4. Purposeful transitions. Ensure each transition serves a purpose in guiding your audience through your speech. Ask yourself how each transition helps connect your ideas and advance your message. Avoid using transitions for the sake of it. Tip number 5. Practice and refinement. Rehearse your speech with transitions included, paying attention to pacing and clarity. Seek feedback from peers or mentors and make adjustments to improve your delivery. Practice makes perfect. By incorporating these tips into your speech preparation and delivery, you can master the art of seamless transitions, enhancing the coherence and impact of your presentations.